Okay, so the objective here is to save the power 25% through value engineering. Yes. So the first process is going to be material handling process, in which you have different components: conveyor, rotary feeder, and screw conveyor. So I hope you consider all the things in this material handling. And here, what happens is, um, for this application, for this particular conveyor, okay. Uh, and what are the things? Yeah, we know that it transfers material. What are the other things? What are other functions can be there? So here,
To support.
what I was telling is, I'm not asking to have separate column like this. I see this is a basic function. So you I also identify some other secondary functions as well. Okay, so everything can be a part of the conveyor itself. Okay, so now you tell me what are the, you see any, the features can be to transfer material. Right? Yes, it's used for transportation. Is let it be single feature. What apart from transferring material, what is the function of a conveyor? Okay.
Can support the material on it.
We can say the maintaining the material as it is condition, because we are handling it through the complete cover. If you will handle it in an open condition, the atmosphere moisture will go into the material. We can say the maintaining the material same condition.
Can it be like verbal noun function? Can it maintain position?
Or on weight conveyor, we can store up to the 110 material. You will feel the weight conveyor throughout. 110 material will be on the belt.
So it also support weight, right? It also support weight, right? Support weight.
Yeah, supporting the material.
So, so like this, is there any other thing apart from this? Is this going to be what type of conveyor? Is it belt conveyor, or is it going to be a roller type?
It's a belt conveyor.
And even this also generate movement, right? Generate movement is also one of the function of
Yes.
yeah, you can write it generate movement. Okay, generate movement. Okay. See what are the
Yes.
other function of a conveyor? Like it generate movement and
Protection of material.
protect component. Okay, protect material, right? It also protect, ensure safety. Can it be ensure safety? Ensure safety or
Ensure quality.
defect.
Ensure quality because it doesn't allow
Prevent
moisture.
defect. Okay, it should prevent defect.
Prevent defect. Or ensure quality.
Yeah, quality is, yes. The quality is everything a part of that. Quality, we can maintain quality. Okay, maintain quality. Quality can be measured, right?
Yes.
But instead of maintain, or it should resist, like, see, the conveyor should not get corroded. No, it should resist corrosion, right? Corrosion should not be there.
No.
Corrosion, is it a function? Corrosion? You can just tell me whether it is required or not. What about resist environment? It should operate at the different environmental condition. And what about aesthetic point of view? Whether the aesthetic is required for this? Whether the aesthetics?
No, sir. Aesthetics probably will not be required.
What about the environment?
It is connectivity between the two distance. Our belt conveyor is approx 180 meter. So connectivity between the two distance.
Connectivity, okay, which means there is a movement. Generate the movement. No,
Through belt conveyor, you can make a walkway connectivity. Suppose, although in our plant there is a safe movement underground it, but somewhere if there is a hill or river, if the belt conveyor is there, it can connect between the two places. Connectivity between two places. It is inclined belt. It is inclined belt, not complete horizontal.
Okay, which means it connects. So basically, joining.
Connectivity between the 2 points.
Yeah, it is basically joining, no, connecting, connect components. Okay, it is connecting. Okay, can connect,
Yes.
connect, connect. What is the connect? What is the next noun? What can be the connect? But I think resist environment is not required. No, it is not going to.
Yes, connectivity you can write. One is horizontal ground floor at feeding it is 0.5 meter and it is discharging the material as a 12 meter. So
Can it be
connectivity
connect
between
lines?
two
Can I connect
different
lines?
heights.
Is this okay?
Connect lines, vertical lines.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I write as in general? Can I write as connect lines?
Okay, okay.
So what about resist environment? Is it a necessary function or it's not required? Is this required?
Resist environment we can remove. It is not so important. Resist environment.
Okay, maybe the reliability. What about the durability? It should ensure durability, right? Durability should be good, and the reliability also
Yes.
should be. Durability is also right. Durability we can write,
Yeah.
and what about the
Maintenance point of view, it is a low maintenance equipments, not high
yeah,
maintenance. It is low maintenance equipment,
yeah,
low power saving.
maybe the maintainability, ensure maintainability. Okay,
Low power consuming equipment. This is a low power consuming equipment.
yeah. So what is the best now verbal noun for that? What can be the what can be the what about the resisting in corrosion? Is it required here?
No, sir.
This is belt only, no? Is it going to be belt system, right?
There will be a rubber belt. So what I would see is, because we were protecting from moisture, so it might help in maintaining the quality.
Maintain.
Quality.
Yeah, the quality is like that is like what I can say. Yes, the quality. See, how you can define quality? Quality is defined as a ratio between performance by expectation, P by E. Okay, quality. And Q is nothing but the ratio between performance by expectation. What is the value function? Value is defined as ratio between function by cost. Okay. This function and performance both are same. Okay. So which means quality and value is both are same. It's not that. So quality is a bigger one, value is also bigger one. So let us not put in that way.
Okay.
We can use some verbal noun combination related to quality. What is there related to quality? Is it to prevent defect? Defects can be prevented. Yeah. Even in those aspects, something you think of it. But it's quality is a bigger word.
Correct.
Even durability itself is a bigger word. But again, now we will need to look something onto the apart from that. Yeah. So okay. So I think we have covered most of the things. Okay. So let us have only these things for our material handling. Okay. With respect to conveyor alone. This is only with respect to conveyor. Okay.
Yes.
Now what we have to do is we have to look at the other aspects. I think we have covered about the conveyor. Now let us look into the rotary feeder. Yes, rotary feeder also stores material. What are the other thing which can be the function like according to you apart from this?
Again, it's an activity or an action where material is conveyed from one point to other point. We are feeding it, yes, but there is a movement of material.
Generate movement.
Yes.
Okay. And apart from that,
Support.
it also support weight.
Yes.
Okay. I think some of the functions will also get repeated. You just look into it. This may be repeating, right?
Generate movement also repeats.
And it is not necessary to include all the things, but whatever is, like, if it is getting repeated, then okay. But the primary thing is very important. What about safety? What is the function of a screw conveyor feed material, right?
Yes. I request my other colleagues also to contribute or take part. Shaved, Govind, Sushant.
I think Govind would have attended last time also. Maybe
Yeah,
it will give more ideas. Yeah. Yeah. This is the material storage. Okay. Yeah. So now, is there any other thing apart from that rotary feeder? What is the other? Whether the rotary feeder will also needs to be with lesser vibration, right? The vibration will be more, right? It is.
Please come.
सुमित कुछ बोलो, सुमित है कि नहीं? सुमित शशांक कुछ तो बोलो जो आ रहा आइडिया.
Yes.
Sumit, are you available? शशांक?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कुछ तो बताओ सर को. ABCD.
Yes, this will help us to see now what we have to do is I will tell you the procedure. So first you know this procedure, right? Like this we are writing it.
Rotary feeder is there for complete sealing. You are complete. Rotary feeder is also used for complete sealing purpose.
Okay, so prevent leakage, you know, it will prevent leakage.
Yes, yes, complete sealing.
Sealing means it's a kind of preventing leakage. So we can write the function as prevent leakage.
Yes.
Okay, then
there is a sector into it in rotary feeder. There is a sector. We can put the material into the sector wise. Total 6 or 8 part is there. It is rotating and in what collective material is discharging to discharge. Although we are not utilizing, rotary feeder can shift the material at 90-degree shift position. Normally we are taking from the vertical top to bottom discharge, but there is availability of the rotary feeder which can shift 90-degree discharge, collecting from one angle and by 90-degree discharge the material.
Okay, it means transfer the material. Yeah, can you write as transfer material?
Yes, we can write transfer material.
Yeah. Now, yes, store material, transfer material, generate movement. Yes. And is there any other functions which is been left for this?
Rotary feeder. This is very sharp edge. If we kept it in open, something can be cut through this. This is very sharp edge.
So safety is important.
If we want through this, some material can be cut.
Okay, cut the
material.
Okay, material size can be done.
Yes, we can say.
Okay.
But material should be short material can be.
Okay, so what we can write is material. Okay, rotary feeders. It is kind of. It is basically a material handling thing. Like it will handle the material. It is also used for discharging material. Yeah, instead of transfer material, we can write discharge material. Both are same one. Discharge material. Yes. Okay. It is going to put it into the conveying system.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, it also generates rotation, right? It also rotates, right? It rotates, and it also
Sir, it can be, sir, it can be assumed as a uniform feeding to a screw conveyor. Uniformly feeding to screw conveyor.
yeah, but yeah, here I'm writing vibration also. It is having the shaft now, no? The vibration should be lesser. Okay, otherwise it should also have lesser noise. Okay, even those things also you can put it here, and but again, you need to ensure that whatever you are going to include, no, that should have some cost also. Okay, that's why it's a very bigger one. Like see, it's a very bigger one. See, we can create a fast diagram only for the feeder alone. Okay, we can create
So
a
this
fast
mixing is also possible. It can use for the mixing.
mix. Yeah, mix material. Okay, what is a very good word for mix?
Through this, we can mix the material.
Mix combined material.
Blending.
Can it be combined material?
Blending we can write.
Yes.
Blend. Okay,
Blending, yes, blending.
blend material. So now, so these are the functions you are going to have for this rotary feeder. Is there any other?
Slight modification, it can create air. Normally, we are using it in a horizontal position. If we will keep in the vertical position 90 degree, some blade will be moved, it will be work as a fan. Are you getting my point, sir?
No, can you repeat? I lost your. Can you repeat once again?
Normally, we are putting it into the horizontal axis position. It is rotating at the horizontal axis. Motor and this rotary feeder is aligned into the same line. If we will shift the position, we will keep the motor bottom and rotary feeder top. By adding the fan blade, it will work as a cooling fan. Rotary feeder.
Yeah. That movement means.
You can also write pressure, apply pressure, because there is a pressure involved in the process.
Yeah, apply force. Yeah, generate pressure. Yeah, it is also apply pressure.
Yes.
When you apply pressure, apply force. Okay, can it be apply force?
Yes.
So when you apply force, what happens? The force gets transferred.
Transferred, yes.
And again, it is going to receive. It is going to receive force first. Then the force gets transferred.
Transfer of energy, and then yes.
You want to transfer force. Then once the transfer force gets, then the movement is going to generate. Movement is going to happen. It is something but generate pressure. And once you generate pressure, then what happens once you generate pressure? Or
Material moves.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, rotary feeder is also used as a uniform feeding of raw material.
Yeah.
We can use as a function as uniform feeding.
Uniform feeding is nothing but the sizing, right? Sizing of the material. It will be.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I can do? Anyway, we have mentioned as the material point of view. It is also we have mentioned blend material, and again after blending, it will also cut the material to the required shape. Is it going to cut the material or not? Hello.
Uniform feed means at 5 TPS, 10 TPS, it can supply fixed, no variation.
Yeah, that's what it's a uniform. It means equal size, no? Like it means maintain shape. It's instead of putting uniform, you can have it as maintain shape, right? Can it be maintain shape? Maintain size or shape? Can it be? No.
No, sir.
Then what is the right?
Yeah, yes.
Because material is already in a size and shape. This material is only fed further.
Okay, so maintain shape is already there. So maintain shape is not a function of rotary feeder. Okay, then what this feeder will do if you have some proper size and shape, what it will do?
It's maintain TPH, tons per hour, maintain TPH.
DPH, what is the stands for DPH?
Tons per hour capacity.
Feed rate.
D stands for what?
Tons per hour, feed rate. Feed rate is the correct word. Maintain feed rate.
Feed
Okay.
rate.
Maintain feed rate. Okay. What is the unit of feed rate? What is the unit? What is the
Tons per hour, tons per hour. kg per minute.
tons per hour, TPH?
Yes.
Okay, so that is output, means that is basically a consumption. Is it a consumption kind of thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understood. Yeah, this maintain feed rate is okay, but can it be like consumption? Like what is the output of the feed rate? When once you feed out, what will happen? Maintain feed rate or maintain.
There will be stability in the operation. There will be stability in operation. No variations. Load will not vary.
Maintain or avoid fluctuations or
Yeah,
how do
that's
you-
why the fluctuation. That's why I put it in the form of vibration, like.
correct. Variation of the vibration. Yes.
Uh, yes, this we have considered. And what is there any other functions for this?
Variability. Avoid variability or how to write that?
Yeah. So what we'll do? Can we do only now today? We will do can we consider only the material handling alone today?
Okay, no issue.
Yeah. So for this, we will try to collect this and we will put a fast diagram for the material handling. Is it okay?
Okay.
Only for this.
Yes.
Similarly, you do it for the. See, it's like just I will give you a glimpse about the material handling. Then what you can do with this, you do it for your thing. Okay, there is nothing wrong or right. Okay, because whatever you do is correct only because you know which one to consider. Okay, even I can say that it's not necessary to include all the things. Okay, I'm going very deeper. But see, yes, what you done initially is also okay. You can consider only the necessary thing, and against that you can create a fast diagram, and against that you can create your ideas. But why I am considering too much detail is still we can explore more ideas by going for a deeper analysis like this.
Yes.
Just make us more clear. We are going to do fast diagram for the material handling or conveyor, screw conveyor, rotary feeder.
Yeah, what we are going to do is for we will make this material handling itself. Okay.
Then it's okay. Yeah, that's
Yes,
better.
yes, what you said is right. What you said is right. Even we can do the fast diagram individually for a conveyor and individually for a rotary feeder and for a screw conveyor. But let us not do it individually because it will be a very huge process. Okay, so we will do it as a material handling equipment. Okay, our title can be material handling equipment.
Okay.
And again, see, but this is only for the fast diagram. But again, when you're considering all the things, the overall fast diagram will be varying. See, if you are considering grinding, and afterwards you will also have some other process, right? Hello?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So when number of then if you're adding all the process 1, process 2, stage 1, stage 2 up to stage 10, then your fast diagram will also have all the things what you have considered. That is also okay. Like you can do it in any way. You can do it in a number of ways. Okay. So even the way what you done previously is also okay. Like that you have to do it after grinding. What's the next stage? And then finally with that you can also create the fast diagram. But you see now you are getting a lot of ideas, right? You see the feed rate and all now only it is coming. But previously we have not analyzed all these things. Okay, and that is how we need to go deep dive into this one, and we can help. We can see into it. Okay, and still there will be a lot of functions which will get rejected finally. But whatever the common functions we can write it. Is this okay?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's okay.
Next, we will go to the third important thing called a screw conveyor. What is the function of a screw conveyor? It feed material. Okay, screw conveyor. Is it a screw conveyor and this rotary feeder is going to be same functions, or is it something? What are additional functions which will come for a screw conveyor?
No. Rotary feeder is a stand still, whereas the screw conveyor is the part of small part of the conveyor, belt conveyor, because it has some length. Screw conveyor has some length.
Okay, so is this the screw conveyor is for feeding the material?
Both,
Yes.
both discharge the material, huh?
Yeah.
Rotary and screw conveyor both discharge the material.
Yeah. Or transfer the material. Both are the same, yes.
Rotary feeder cannot discharge a material length more than 300 or 400 mm, whereas screw conveyor can discharge up to the 11 meter length.
Basic functions are discharged. That's what Vikas is saying.
Yeah, can you use only one thing? You see, why you need to have separately rotary feeder and also screw conveyor? Can you have only one thing, single thing instead of two? Because you said the screw conveyor can go up to maximum 11. So if that is the case, we can have only one thing instead of two, right? Can we club?
Rotary feeder has the sealing property, whereas screw conveyor don't have that sealing property.
But Sanjeev ji, basic function जो उसका है, that basic function is to discharge the material.
Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं, दोनों का अलग अलग फंक्शन है. रोटरी फीडर का फंक्शन होता है वो एक तरह से आइसोलेट कर देता है. रोटरी फीडर इज क्रिएटिंग आइसोलेशन बिटवीन द फीड एंड डिस्चार्ज, whereas the screw conveyor is not creating the isolation. आपको स्क्रू कन्वेयर में पूरा माल भर के जाम हो जाएगा, डैमेज होगा, स्क्रू कन्वेयर स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. रोटरी फीडर से वो माल स्टेप बाय स्टेप यूनिफॉर्म फिटिंग जो बताया ना शशांक, बहुत अच्छा बताया.
Okay, so now.
Yes sir.
Yes. Now let us write some few other functions.
Yes. For material handling only, this is last equipment, screw conveyor.
So now you can tell about some other functions of the screw conveyor. Apart from feeding material, what are the things we can include? Uniform. No.
Discharge at different height, discharge at different distance.
Discharge material.
At different height.
What we can do
now it is 90-degree vertical height screw conveyor is coming.
Yeah, instead of height, what we do is it is meeting specification. Whatever the specification, no, it can be. So it should meet the specification. Okay.
Yeah, discharging rate, discharging size, or whatever size you give.
And if you have any standards also, okay. If you have any standards, it will also meet. If you have any standards for this, those things also okay. Otherwise, we can eliminate it, not an issue. And
screw conveyor can handle lump material.
No, is it possible to repeat? I'm not getting clear with your voice.
Screw conveyor can handle lump material.
What is the material?
lump in size 10, 15, 25 mm in size. Through rotary feeder, we cannot only handle for powder it are using.
The handle material.
Lump, L-U-M-P, lump.
What's the meaning of lump?
15 mm, 25 mm, 80 mm.
That is, you can tell as a stone, like
Yes.
a stone. That size is 10 mm or 20 mm, either 50
Yeah.
mm, 50 mm.
Can it be maintained shape instead of lump material? Can it be like that way? Can you put as maintained shape?
Yes, it's okay. Again, the mixing of the also in one process of this screw conveyor. Mixing of material.
Yeah, blend. That is nothing but maintained shape. The blend material. It's yeah. What can be the other like what about this durability, reliability are quite common. Warranty will be quite common, and before they dispatch to you and they put in the product. So these are quite common. And what are the other additional things? What about corrosion? Corrosion and those things is not an issue, right? Resisting corrosion, or are there any things you need to consider here?
It is coming to the fully enclosed. We can use it in an open environment condition. Although risk is there, but we can use it in an open environment.
Okay, can it be resist environment? Can be one of the functions resisting environment. So
Yes.
yeah.
Enclosed type. This is enclosed type.
And what about any the durability, reliability is quite that we can add is a common one. And apart from that, what can be the resisting environment to maintainability and corrosion? Yeah. What about the aesthetics point of view? Is well, the aesthetic is required for the material handling system with respect to aesthetics.
No, sir.
Okay.
Basically, this is the rectangular shape.
Mhm.
May I share a photo of screw conveyor?
Yeah, can you yeah. So what I will do, what we can do, yes. Can you share it in WhatsApp for this? No, it's okay, not in WhatsApp. It's okay. You share the screen. You can share the screen. Or you can send it in the chat box also, no problem.
In net also you will just put you will get a lot of photo, screw conveyor photo.
Screw conveyor, no, okay, just a second.
Yeah, screw conveyor photo, just Google, a lot of photo will come. Screw conveyor photo.
Yeah. Yeah. So it is having the transmission, it is having the gearbox, it is having the motor, it is having the cover. It also converts.
We are unable to see the screen.
No, I did not share. I think I'm just checking. It's like you have horizontal screw conveyor and also vertical, right? Okay, so now what we'll do? What can be the other function of this? So I just what can be the other function? What about the energy with respect to the torque and the energy? Whether anything going to happen with respect to torque or energy?
You mean torque?
Pardon?
Torque, you said, right?
Yeah. Anything in that angle, anything is about or energy. You have a motor also. I think you have a motor, right? Inside the conveyor, you have a motor, right?
Yes, yes. Motor, gearbox, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, if it is a gearbox, then you have torque, power, transfer power, right? Those things also will be here. And that is where you can, the power consumption what you are doing now.
Yes.
This is where you can look into it. Power is nothing but 2 by NT by 60,000. So accordingly you can have a torque as well. So let us have only power. And how to track is when you're transferring power, what are the implications? Those things also you can analyze. Okay. See, I think now we are going towards the product point of view, but I don't think it will. We are in the right direction. What we do is we need to look at the process point of view. So what is the best way is see, because if we analyze like this, then what happens? It will be a kind of a continuous process. Okay, keep on discussing it because we are only for material handling, right? But still you have many things. Okay, uh, and this will go. It will go endlessly. So it's now we are moving towards a product. Okay, now we are moving towards a product, but what is important is yes, it's also important, but it's not necessary to go in depth again. But it will be a common kind of thing. Such a way, we also need to look. We should not. We should ensure that all the functions are practical. Right? It's not that we do it on very fast basis and we eliminate some of the functions. So it is necessary. We should not eliminate any functions at the same time. We should not take any additional functions also. So we need to take only the necessary function and unnecessary function also we need to eliminate. So this is how we need to do a trade-off as well. Okay. So I think we need to go in this direction. So anyway, we are done up to this date. It's okay. Good. Now what I suggest is let us. Is there any other function which this screw conveyor will have apart from this? Transferring power. See now we are anyway. It's good that we are going towards product side also, but normally we need to see what is the objective. Is it on the product side or process side or those things also we have to see. If it is process, then something related to men, related to machine, related to material. Okay, in this way also we can our focus can be towards that area. So in what context we are going, that is very much important. Is it required to have to understand or to go in depth? Because see what you are going to do here in Kalgan, already you purchased this machine, right? You are not going to suppose if you are going for a new machine again, a new purchase, okay, then you can select the best supplier, okay, who will be best, who is going to give you the less cost with good power one means which will consume less power. Okay, so when you select such a way the supplier itself, do you achieve the power consumption saving? Okay, so you have many ways. There are many ways to look at ideas. Okay, but we will explore the maximum such a way how this function is going to help us. That is very much important. Okay, so now let us stop here, and then what we do now? Now I
We
think
move to Gauss diagram.
can you repeat?
We will move for fast diagram now.
Yeah, now we go for a common function first, then we go for a now we are going to write the common functions or common.
Okay.
So what is the common function is all about? Let us. I will explain that. This itself is a process itself is going to be only one process. Okay, there is no other process. It is going to be material handling equipment only. So again, this itself it's not going to be a process. Now it's towards a kind of product. Okay, so again, see again when you take conveyor will have many parts. Okay, so it is kind of it's a very vast one. Okay, you can go the maximum minute level, but let us restrict because again we can keep on discussing like this, but we need to see. That's why now what you do is you consider as a kind of process with respect to process alone. Like what we have done previously, no, that is a correct way. But I made mistake that I shifted from process to product. Okay, but what you have done is good only. So you analyze this. Okay, this is good way. This is very good way. Okay, uh, you do it in that way. Okay, you do it similarly after grinding. What happens? You just what will be next stage after grinding? You write all these things. Okay, and then you come up with the plan of the fast diagram. Okay, then I will correct it. Okay, then we can discuss this next week, next class, next is Friday and Saturday. See, now before that, I'll tell you how to go for a fast diagram. See, you collect with respect to process point of view. Okay, not with respect to product point of view. Okay, now you do it with respect to process point of view. So you identify like what you identify is correct only. Okay, I have deviated unnecessarily. Okay. See, what is the next process after grinding? Can you tell now? I'll just give you an overview, then I will create a fast diagram for the material handling alone. Can you tell me now what is the next process after grinding? Hello?
Sanjay
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Wow. Sir, what is
Yes,
the
sir.
next? Can you repeat?
Yes, sir. You are telling something.
Yes, I'm asking you what's the next process after grinding?
What the?
What is the next process after grinding?
We will do these exercises. What you have given the function analysis, whatever you have taken the information, and for the power sinking, what are the other equipment, do this complete function details.
Okay. And you concentrate on the process. Okay. Now what I am doing or what now we are doing it is for a product. Okay.
Okay.
So you what you have done is good actually. Like this itself you can carry out, not an issue. Okay.
Okay.
Now after carrying out like this, what you do is you write down all the common functions. Okay. How to write a common function is so or summary. This is nothing but summary, not a common function. Maybe you can write this as a summary. Okay. This is summary. Okay. So here what a summary here is the common functions. So what I was telling. So write as some functions here. Right. It's make it as when you say common function, it is going to be a common. So it is a complete material handling equipment. Okay, it is a material handling equipment, not for individual. So it's like going to be complete one as a complete product. Okay. So what is the basis behind the material handling? It should handle and transfer material. No? It should handle
Yes.
and transfer material. Even this is not required. Even this is also not required. Okay. Even this is also
Okay.
not. Then directly you have tried with the functions alone. Okay. So you have tried on all the functions which is there in order 3. Okay. So now
Okay.
this is run and then you write the remaining. So these are the common functions. Now you need to see which are the functions which is getting repeated. Okay, those things you can eliminate it. Okay, so only you need to have only one function. So this all so when you feel that it is getting repeated, okay, you eliminate it.
Okay.
Up to this it's okay. Now transfer material is the ensure durability, connect lines, generate movement. No, it is ensure safety. Yes, it's not there. The support weight is not there. Or material. Flow materials required maintain transfer. Yeah, transfer is getting repeated. You see, this transfer movement is transfer material is getting repeated. Okay, so and then it is also getting repeated. Ensure durability. This ensure durability is okay. So we can delete these things. Okay, and ensure durability. Yeah, it is also getting repeated. Ensure durability is also getting repeated. And prevent leakage. It's not that reliability. It's also getting repeated. Transfer force, supply force, receive force. Blend materials is going. Where is the blend? Blend material is also going to get repeated.
Transfer power and force, you mean they are different because
Transfer power and force is different because power. Finally, the gearbox and torque, because we consider torque and power as equal.
okay.
So now you have shortlisted the thing. Okay, so these are the things. Now you need to see which is not necessary in this one. Whatever is not necessary, you remove again. Again, you are going to understand this one. Okay, see, as a complete material handling equipment. Okay, for a complete material handling equipment, is my basically my complete product, or I can say this itself is a process. Okay, for this complete material handling equipment, or to handle and transfer my material. Okay, what is the requirement here? What you need to have, that you need to look into it. Now let us now you need to tell, is this important or not? Which is the basic function of, what is the basic function of the material handling equipment? Is it, what is the overall basic function? Now you need to tell the overall basic function.
Transfer material.
Where is the transfer material? Transfer.
Is there up?
Yeah. So this is going to be the basic function. Okay. So remaining all the functions are going to be secondary. So remaining all the functions are going to be secondary. Now, or you simply
I think
mention this, yes.
Let others also comment on the basic function because their understanding might be different. So, because Sanjeev sir. Basic function ठीक है विकास जी, what do you say? Shashank.
हाँ
Sudhakar said he is speaking to us only.
हाँ जी, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ बेसिक फंक्शन मैंने बताया है, आपको भी इसमें ये है क्या? If you have any difference, you let me.
आपका आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रहा है सर.
हाँ, मैं पूछ रहा था कि बेसिक फंक्शन मैंने बताया कि ट्रांसफर ऑफ मटेरियल हैंडलिंग में, तो आप लोगों को भी कुछ और पॉइंट्स है क्या बताइए? शशांक, विकास जी आप भी सोचिए.
बेसिक फंक्शन तो मटेरियल हैंडलिंग में तो वही सेम ट्रांसफर ऑफ मटेरियल ही है.
राइट, वही मैं एक्चुअली वांटेड एवरीवन्स व्यू बिफोर वी प्रोसीड. दैट्स व्हाट.
नहीं ठीक है.
Okay, so here still we can narrow down. See, is it like any standard you are going to have for that particular thing? Is there any meeting standards required? The specification is okay, but for which you are going to spend money. But is there any standard that you are going to achieve? Like, is it required? Just look into it. Otherwise, you can eliminate this. Okay. If not, we can eliminate this standard. Just check it whether this is required or not. And yeah, handle this required discharge. What about discharge material and handle material? Is it going to, can we club both together?
Yeah, handle material.
Yes, it's okay.
Yes.
Only one is enough. Handle material.
Discharge material is not required, no?
Actually, this is collecting from the feed point, and then discharge is the one of the main function.
Okay. Should we need to have individually or separately, or can we club it? Or like, it's okay. Like, it's no. That's why we need to have the interaction with.
We can remove the handle material. Handle material is a very common word, whereas the discharge material is a very specific word. So we can remove the handle material.
Okay. Okay, I'm also going to remove the standards also. I don't think there is no, because you are going to get the machine from your supplier, from your vendor, so it's okay. And the specification is important, okay, for which you are going to spend, okay. And then apart from that, okay, is it, see, anyway you are going to resist the environment, but are you going to concentrate too much on this just with the cost point of view? Is it like you just think of it whether this is required or not, okay. And again, anyway, this durability reliability is going to be common. Means anyway, this we can have it as a common thing. We can put the durability in the project objective, and durability reliability as the order time function. So okay, so let this be common, no problem. And apart from that, is anything is pending?
Durability of product, durability of machine equipment, durability of environment.
Durability
What
of
durability?
durability of this equipment. Durability of this equipment.
Yes, these equipment are very durable. 8, 10 years, 15 years is there.
Yeah. Yeah, that is important. And reliability is also important. Reliability is how reliable your product are.
Yes, equipment is reliable.
Yeah. So because you are going to
It
spend.
depends. Again, if you take the general terms, if you take the road shaft material, then it will not durable. But if you take the branded equipments and it has the suppose bearing or the number of things are reputed, then it will durable. So these are the limitation constant to take the decision for us. Durable material, if you take the Chinese ball bearing, certainly the material will not durable. But if will the ball bearing escape, the equipment will become the durable. So how we will take these things are in consideration. This we have to learn these techniques.
Yeah. See, so like I am telling about durability. Durability is nothing but what, like how best your project should be durable. Say for example, if I am the manufacturer of material handling equipment, say for example, if I'm manufacturing a screw conveyor, so what I have to do is I have to manufacture such a way my product should be durable and reliable when I'm shipping the product to your company. Otherwise, what happens is you will not buy, and it will lead to the failure, and it will be big problem. And even if I sell the product to you, it comes under, if in case any failure happens, then I need to replace the particular failure with a new product, okay, with a new completely new one, for which the cost is also going to get incurred to my company. So in that case, with respect to the reliability or durability, how I can define is, the durability is the one that I need to give the product to you. Before I give the product to you, I need to ensure that the testing, all the tests are being carried out internally in my company, and I need to ensure that the screw conveyor what I'm going to give to you will function properly. Okay, and at the same time, I also need to ensure that the screw conveyor what I'm going to give to you, it's not only going to function properly, but also there are a lot of tests which will be done before I deliver the screw conveyor to your company, which involves a lot of design verification plan, lot of validation, lot of testing with various conditions, various scenario, various criteria, and with respect to those things, the test will be done at my end to ensure that the durability of the screw conveyor is being well verified before I ship the product to Jamipal. See now as a company, what I will do is I will spend money. I will spend money to do the testing, to do the design verification plan, to do the validation. Okay. So when I do the validation, when I do the testing, when I do the simulation, or when I do the verification, so I am going to spend money for my labor, for my material, and I'm going to spend money for my resource. Okay, this cost is also going to get added to your overall product cost, or to conveyor. Okay, so that's why the reliability, ensure durability, sorry, ensure durability. Okay, for which I'm going to spend money towards testing, towards planning, towards analysis, towards simulation. Okay, for which I'm going to spend money. Okay, that is nothing but spend money. Spending money is nothing but cost. Okay, when I say cost is nothing, here is nothing but a function cost. Okay, so we all know whenever we have a function cost, then we need to take that function into the consideration when we are going for a fast diagram or a function analysis. So now here we have the ensure durability as the function analysis, or it is coming out through the analysis. So let us take the durability into account. And again,
Yes, in our condition, durable is there. Yes.
what about
Thank you.
reliability? How reliable you are? How reliable you are?
Yes, equipment are also reliable. We are running from the 2011.
Yeah.
Till 2021. Same equipment is running.
Yeah. So like this, you can look into it. Yeah. So I think we have
What you have told, while selection of the equipment, we have done this exercises. So equipment are durable as well as reliable.
Yeah, sure. Now these are the common functions, or these are the things. Now we need to take all these functions to the fast diagram. Okay. So now I will give you one more simple, interesting thing. Okay. So before we go for a fast diagram, still we can do some selection here itself. What are the functions which will come in the critical logical part, the secondary and functions, basic and secondary, and what are the functions which will come in design function or order time function, one time function, and order time functions. Okay. So now here we know that apply force is going to be the lower order function, which is not in our scope. Okay. This is out of our scope. Okay. So we can put this apply force as a lower order function, and we also have the basic function as a transfer material. Okay. So this 2 is clear. Now we let us have the thing. Okay. What can be the order time function, one time function? One time function basically warranty. What about the warranty? So if I am the manufacturer, okay, I will be giving the warranty to you, right? If in case any, right, that should be there, right? Ensure warranty should be there, right? For which I see how I can achieve a warranty by making the product more durable and reliable. See, this is all these are coincidence, having the coincidence. Okay, this. See, I am the manufacturer of screw conveyor. Okay, so I need to give a warranty of so and so years to Jamipal. How I can ensure
Yes.
warranty? I can ensure my warranty based on my testing, based on my confidence, right? That confidence is going to come only when I am clearing my durability and reliability test, and for which I'm going to spend money also. So it is again going to get connected directly or indirectly with your functions, which has been mentioned towards the durability and reliability. Okay. Now coming back, so this ensure warranty is also going to be a secondary function, but here this is going to be the one-time function. Okay, this is going to be one-time function. And what are the order time functions? Let us go to the order time functions. Then we will go with the logical part, critical logical part. Okay, so mid specification can be the project objective. It can be the project objective or the design functions. Okay, so this can be the project objective or design functions. Maintenance shape is related to the design. Okay, whenever it is related to design, you have to put it in the objective or the design function. Okay, let us have this as a design function. And what about is there anything like ensure safety? Safety should be all the time, right? Safety should be all the time.
All the time.
So you have to write it as all the time. And maintain position is again going to be a design. So it's related to design. Okay. So again, whenever it is related to design, you have to write as a project objective. And support weight is also related to design because it's having some unit in terms of weight. And feed rate is also going to be related to the design. And the preventing leakage should be all the time. It should be all the time. It can be either in the project objective or all the time, but here the leakage should be all the time prevent. And what are the things? Okay, withstanding vibration is also the project objective or the design function. Okay, see what I suggest is you will get confusion between the project objective and design function. So you can replace this project objective with design function. Okay, because if you because you will get confused whether this is the project objective. Because project objective means what is the overall project objective? See, you have the project objective to reduce 25% of something, right? That is your project objective, but you may get confusion. Okay, so that's why I suggest you this is your project objective. So what I suggest is don't write as a project objective currently. So yes, but now what you can write as a design function. What you let it design. Okay, so let us have it as in this way. But in some of the examples, what I given might be this one, but I don't want to confuse you. That's why I'm making it very user friendly so that it will be easy because here the Society of American Value Engineers, they have mentioned as a project objective, and previously they have mentioned as a design function, but now they have modified it. It's not necessary to follow the guideline which has been given, but again, the very important thing is you should not get mixed up with because of the many new guidelines. Okay. Yeah. Now I hope you understand what is the design function. Whenever it is related to noise, vibration, specification, shape, strength, okay, even maintenance strength, even those things can also be the part of design function. Okay, even the leakage, the prevent leakage. Okay, even leakage is having some value. It's also a part of a design function. But again, depending upon the context, we can put it either in the design function or the other function. Okay, so now apart from that, is there anything else? So connect lines should be all the time, right? It should also be all the time, right? Am I right? It should be all the time, right? Hello?
Yes, like design function, what are the other function we have to consider? Because this summary part we are doing just first time.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So here what you have to write is this is the equipment, this is the features, this is the verb and noun combination, this is the function type. Okay, what type of function this is. This is again, this is also going to be a type. Okay, for a fast diagram. Okay, this is for a fast diagram. So this you are going to write it in the fast diagram. Okay. You know, fast diagram will have design function, order time function, one time function, basic function, and the scientific function. Okay. So whenever the critical logical part, so we will put the thing in the critical logical part. So even the general mode is getting repeated here. What we'll do now, we'll do the critical logical part. Okay. Logical part, critical logical part. So first, when I'm applying force, what happens? Why to apply force? To receive force. Okay, that will be the part of the critical logical part. Why to receive force? To transfer force. Why to transfer force? To generate movement. Why to generate movement? Why to generate movement? Uh, why to generate movement? Similarly, why to generate movement? Is it to transfer the material? Yes. Or when I'm transferring material, yeah. Okay, this can also be the design function. Okay, see, the durability can be all the time function. Durability can be all the time function, and the durability can be one time design function. Okay, see, now this is very much important. Now we are going for a critical logical path. See, what is the basic function of a thing? Okay, transfer material. Okay, how to transfer material? How to transfer material? By generating movement, or when you are generating movement, what are the things happening? So how, see, storing material, how to store material, or when you are storing material, what will happen? Okay. See, blending material, when you are blending material, what is what activity you are going simultaneously. So now you need to fill a gap here. You need to fill a gap. Okay. When you are going to discharge the material, when you are going to feed the material. So now these are the gap. Okay. So now this is the gap. Okay. You need to identify the gap here now. That is where the how logic, why logic, when logic will help you. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create your fast diagram. This is the functions. Okay. So I'll be taking all these functions for my fast diagram. Let us have a let us do it here. Then I will share it to you separately. I will modify this and then I will share it. Okay, so now let us go to the fast diagram of our material handling equipment. See, now I'm going to take all these things. Okay, I'm going to take. I'm going to grab this. Okay, I'm going to take only these functions. I'm going to put it here. Okay. See now, yeah, we will see what are the things getting filled here. So meet specification is there. Meets okay. So again, we have to see. See what you have to do is you have to fill it in this way. So wherever I put the design function, you have to include the design functions here. Okay. And wherever I put the one-time function, you have to include the one-time function here. Wherever I include all the time function, you have to include all the time function here. Okay. This is the very logic that you need to do first. That is the first step. First step, you need to write down project execution is nothing but a design function. Okay, write down all the design functions here. Okay. And then after writing the design function, the very important thing is you have to write down the one-time function. What is the one-time function? So here, what are the one-time functions we have identified? Okay, so one-time function also is here. Okay, so you have to write down that one-time function here, and you also need to write down the order time function here. You write down this. Okay, so design functions, one-time function, order function right here. Now this is the critical logical part. Okay, this is the critical logical part. So we know that so this is the higher order function, and we need to see what is the you need to fill all these things now. Okay, so you need to fill all these things. All these things. That is where you need to fill all these things. Let us start now. See, we are what is there in the critical logical part? Apply force is a lower order function. Yes. After you apply force, you are going to receive force. Then you are going to transfer force. Yes. And we are going to generate movement. Yes. Yeah. Then what is the basic function? What is the overall basic function? The basic function here is to transfer material. Okay? Why to transfer material? Why I need to transfer my material? To improve efficiency, I can make it as for production or improve efficiency because this is the output. Okay, why I need to transfer my material for production? Okay, to improve efficiency or improve productivity or yeah, improve productivity. Also, I can write or efficiency. I can improve, or what is the process like? What is the end? Like you do the grinding, whatever it is, right? Maybe we can put efficiency here to improve efficiency or to improve the productivity, anything. Okay, depending upon improve efficiency and improve productivity.
We can say excess material.
Access.
If it is in different stage, we cannot access the material for the grinding. Through transportation, we are getting the material access. Yes.
Yeah, but this is out of scope. This is not in your scope. Okay, this is out of scope. So this is higher order function. Is not in your scope, for which you are not going to spend money. So your studies should be within this only, within this left scope line and right scope line. Now you need to fill. You need to fill these things. That we'll do it now. Yeah. So now we need to fill that logical part. Now there are a lot of things left behind. What is left behind is the gap. Okay, basically the gap. What is the gap? So okay, the durability and this ensuring durability should be the part of design function. Okay. And now only the gap is feeding material. When you are transferring material, you are also discharging the material, right?
Yes, yes.
And you are also feeding the material, right?
Yes.
Or okay, so these two will happen simultaneously, and then so this is nothing but the when function. Okay, it's not coming under the critical logical part. This is a when function. Okay, when function, and this is also going to be a when function. And when you are going to blend the material, when it's also going to be, you are going to blend the material, you are going to feed them. First, you are going to feed the material, then blend the material, then discharge the material, then you are going to transfer the material. Okay, so what you can do, even you can do this way. Even you can have one more session, one more diagram like this, where what you can do here is, yeah. So you can also do like this. You can create one more thing like parallelly. Okay. So here you can blend the material. You can feed first. You can feed the material. Okay. When you apply force, you can feed the material. Okay. So what I do, I do it in two way. I can do it in two way. Let us go to the first way. So what I can do, I'm going to apply force. When I'm applying force, I'm also like I can bring it like this also. Okay, I can do it in this way also.
You mean you are doing and or kind of thing?
Yeah. So now, yes, in that way also we can. But this is separate one. This is separate one. Yeah. Even I can do it. Yeah, like this way. You understand, right? Like this, I can bring like this. I know it have like this. Okay. What you do? Like this. Hope you would have understood. Like this will go here.
Yeah, the arrow will come.
Go to the insert. Zigzag. Let us try this. Okay, something is coming. Yeah. Okay. Do like this is better. Okay, so now we can also do in this way. Okay. Yeah, this is the best way. Like this you can do. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to feed material. Okay, I'm going to feed. I'm going to feed my material. When I apply force, I'm going to feed material. Why to feed material? So feed material is going to be a gap. And again, finally, I'm going to discharge material. When I'm discharging material, I'm also generating movement. So what I can do, feed material. So now this is how the logic you have to apply. So this will help you to see that you're following the proper path or not. So feed material and what else? Blend material. When I'm feeding the material, is it a blend? Is it blend material? When the blending material, when the blending will happen? When you are going to do the blending? Is this logic is correct? See, when I'm feeding, first I'm going to feed material, then I'm going to blend the material. Then once I blend it, what happens is
Discharge is there, no? When you feed into your yeah.
yeah. So after feeding, you are going to discharge the material, right?
Yes.
Then only the blending will happen, right? Is it
The
that way?
blending will not happen after discharge, but if it is, Vikas ji, your inputs, please, Vikas. Shashank. Shashank, Vikas ji.
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
आपकी आवाज स्लो आती है सुधाकर सर.
हाँ बोलिए.
आपकी आवाज बहुत
सर
स्लो
ठीक है,
आती है.
आवाज क्लियर है सर आवाज.
मेरे में प्रॉब्लम है.
नहीं एक्चुअली इधर मैं सर इधर प्लांट में हूँ ना, तो मिल रनिंग हो रहा है, तो इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा सा स्लो सुनाई दे रहा है.
नहीं ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ओके.
Or even the discharge material can happen simultaneously also. Like when you are going to feed it, then you are going to blend it, then you are going to discharge it, then you are going to transfer it.
Yes, that way we can take feed, blend, discharge, and transfer.
Even this is one way, or the other way can be sometimes when this function is happening, even you can put it in the when function also. Even that also okay. So let us do it in this way. And now what we have to do is this same hope this is okay. And now what we have to do is this is done. Now we have completed the complete analysis. So like this is the fast diagram. We'll let us see once again is that store material. When see store material, where I can when store material, where it will come? Is it going to be the where when I'm blending material, where I can store my material? Like even that also that you see here, gap blend material completed, star material, feed material completed. Yeah, the durability is a part of design function. Yes, we completed. Store material is blending. So where to store the material? That is blending. So store material is one thing. Okay. So first you are going to store the when you are okay when you are feeding the material, what happens is if this feed material is going to happen or no, it's not that feed. Store means store material. How where you are going to store material? So this one you have to find a proper way because this will help. But anyway, it's like what happens is we are going to consider all these functions which is between the left scope line and right scope line for our function cost. Okay, now we need to allocate a function cost. See, that is what I have told, right? With respect to the allocation percentage, you have to give what is the cost involved for this, what is the cost involved for this, or what is the cost involved for. If you do not know the cost, what you can do is you can create ideas using the functions alone. Now you can look for new various ideas, but if you have function, the cost it will be good actually. Okay, now let us complete the design function, one time function, order time function. Let us go to the Excel sheet. Now we will complete the design function, which is nothing but the project objectives. So what are the things are part of project objective? So meet specification, meet specification. So like I write down meet specification. And maintain shape. Okay, shape and the specification both are same. Okay, we can eliminate the shape. Okay, because both are having same meaning. This is how this is helping actually. The maintain shape we can remove. And what are the other design function? Transfer power. Is it the transfer power is going to be? Yes, power is terms of that is again going to be a design having the value. Okay, transfer power. Or can we have transfer material and transfer power? Okay, that is different. Okay, both are different. Yes. Okay. And
Transfer power is different, transfer
yeah.
material is different.
Yeah. So now ensure durability. Ensure durability. Yes, this will be there as a part of this one. And connect lines. What about this can be all the time? Okay. Maintain position. Yes, this can be maintain position. Maintain position can be the design function, and maintain position and support weight. Okay, because the weight is there. So support weight can also be support weight. Yes. Then what else? See, now you need to tell about the store material because this is only pending for us. Remaining everything we have completed. Maintain position is okay. Then feed rate. Okay, we have to maintain the feed rate. Okay, maintain feed rate. And apart from that, maintain feed rate. Prevent. Okay, yeah, withstanding vibration. Okay, so now what we have done is we have completed the we have completed the project objectives. No, I don't say this is a project objective because you may get confusion. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the same function.
Arjun sir, I had one doubt. See, basically, we are using the material handling equipment to ensure the availability of material for production. Right. So when we say, how do you place this? Because we need to keep the production going. So that is why material handling is done or material handling is in place. So where do you capture this?
That's what the transfer material. No, it is going to have. It is going to transfer your material, right? So that's what the transfer material is going to happen.
Okay.
I request please stabilize the relationship between the power consumption versus this fast diagram. Is it okay, sir?
Yeah. We will just let us complete this one. Then we can correlate.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the design functions. And now you need to correlate where the store material will come, and accordingly we can complete this one. And now
The store material, there is a two storage, one is hopper and one is storage yard.
yeah.
Belt conveyor is feeding from the storage yard.
Yeah, which means hooper is nothing but the feeding material. This is where you are going to store it. Then
Yes.
So which means can we put the store material at this point of time here? And
here it said why store material, feed material. Yes, the first line is okay. Why we are storing for the feeding material? Why we are feeding material?
Or we can write like this way.
Discharge material.
Yeah, or also we can write like this. This when you are feeding the material.
Yes, here it is okay. No, backside was okay. Last
even you can do it like this also. Like when you are feeding material, you are also storing it, right? Or I can say when see I am applying force to store my material. why when I am storing material, I am also feeding my material.
No. This is the opposite relation. This is not okay.
Not okay. This is okay.
Yes, this is okay. There is the storage of material. From storage, we are feeding the material.
So when we are feeding the material, we are also storing, right? This is when function.
Yes. Storing, then feeding.
Otherwise, what we can do, we can apply force to store material, then feed material. Even that is also.
Yes, that's okay. That's okay.
So I will move it, which means I need to move in such a way. I think this is quite good actually. We can make it in this way. And now
Blending material is not active. We can remove this blending material.
can remove.
Blending material. Yes, this is not useful function. Blending material. Yes. Feed material, discharge material. Transport we can insert in between transport material. Feed material, then transport material, then discharge material.
Yeah, feed material.
Transport, be in between transport material.
Then no, then it is going to be a basic function, no?
Okay, yes, that is the basic function. Absolutely. Okay.
Yeah. So now again we are going to write
Feed material, and is there any relationship between the feed material and transfer force? Feed material and transfer force?
no. See, even see, I'm applying force to receive force to transfer. No. See, this is different. This is different. Yes, but again, see, that's what you need to see which log. You need to go again. You need to do some.
Okay, agreed.
But again, we are considering all the things such a way. We need to follow how logic. This is how logic, why logic.
Okay.
We are following the logic. It's okay. But again, when you are feeding the material, you need to see whether the transfer, whether it's going to happen simultaneously. Those analysis also you can do it. Now let us write the remaining missing functions, the one time and the other time function. So let us write the one time function now. Okay, ensure warranty is one time function, and only one. Okay, but if any shipment, okay, protect component can also be, it will protect one. Okay, it's okay. We will write only one as of whatever is available, whatever we are getting, that alone is sufficient. We no need to think more if it is not available, if it is not coming actually. So now what we have to do is we have to complete this with one time function. It's the one time function. Now the last one is going to be the order time function. See, now same thing will be applicable for a process like completely. Now the power consumption. Okay, so we need to consider same design functions, one time function, order time functions. Now with respect to power consumption, also this is applicable, but we need to consider the power consumption part separately. Okay, which are the parts which is coming for a power consumption, that you need to correlate to the fast diagram. Okay, and again you are going to take some of the parts where the class is going to be coming, and those things you are going to apply the function here. Then you are going to look for the function cost and function worth, and finally you're going for ideas. Now even now, if you do not have the cost, what I can do, even still I can generate ideas. Okay, I can generate ideas considering the function. What are the ways I can start material? What are the ways I can feed material? What are the ways I can store material? So I can create more ideas basically if I go into this method. Okay. And now there is one, because I will give you some function inspired change. You can do lot of changes, lot of innovative ideas if you analyze the function. Okay, those things also I will just give an introduction so that the next class, see, because this will help you to look for it. Okay, I will give you that function inspired change also now. Just 5 minutes I'll give you the brief how this will help, how the function will help you to bring ideas. Okay, then because if I give explanation, then you will also correlate. Okay, there is a correlation is that, see, there is a correlation between information phase and function phase, right? Similarly, there is a correlation between function phase and creativity phase. How you can create ideas using the functions, that I will tell you. That is very much important, because if I tell that one only, this will increase your enthusiasm towards this function. Otherwise, it will not increase your enthusiasm. Just I will tell that one, and before that, we will complete this last one. So the last one is going to be order time function. Prevent leakage. Ensure safety. Maintenance. Ensure reliability. And even ensure safety your return. And connect lines, yes. Reliability, yes. So these are all the order time functions. So we have considered all these things. And now I'm going to tell you how these are the things. I will share you this one. I will share you this PPT. This PPT will cover the old one, which is there, the printer. Okay, already I've shared you. So I will share you this handling, material handling fast diagram alone separately. Okay. Now you have to do the similar thing for your case. Okay. And these are the critical logical part from time function. This is how now we have completed this. Okay. So this I will share it to you now, and then